Anjuman-E-Faizul Islam, Urdu Primary School, Pune, Standard 2nd, Subject English. Word basket. Look, listen and repeat. Bat, bat, B-A-T, bat. Cat, C-A-T, cat. Cap, C-A-P, cap. Bag, B-A-G, bag. Tap, T-A-P, tap. Look at the pictures and match with their names. Word basket. Read aloud the word mat, man, jam, rat, sat, can, bag, has, hat, pan, sad, hat. Thank you everyone.